Changing the chain on a motorcycle is a task that requires some mechanical skill and the right tools. Here is a general guide on how to change the chain on a motorcycle. Keep in mind that the specific steps may vary depending on the make and model of your motorcycle, so always refer to your motorcycle's manual for detailed instructions. Additionally, if you're not comfortable with these steps, it's recommended to seek help from a professional mechanic. Tools and materials you may need. New motorcycle chain. Replacement master link if your chain uses a master link. Socket set wrenches. Chain breaker tool. Rear stand or paddock stand, screwdriver. Measuring tool, caliper or ruler. Lubricant for the new chain, torque wrench. Secure the motorcycle. Put the motorcycle on a rear stand or paddock stand to lift the rear wheel off the ground. Ensure the motorcycle is in gear or use a wheel chock to prevent it from rolling. Scene script. Remove the old chain. Locate the master link on the old chain. If your chain doesn't have a master link, you'll need to break the chain with a chain breaker tool. Use the chain breaker tool to push out the pins on the master link or the link you want to remove. Once the old chain is broken, remove it from the sprockets. Measure the new chain. Lay the old chain next to the new chain and ensure they have the same number of links. If the new chain is longer, you may need to use the chain breaker tool to remove the excess links. Install the new chain. Thread the new chain over the front and rear sprockets. Use the master link or the provided connecting link to join the ends of the chain. Adjust chain tension. Adjust the chain tension according to your motorcycle's specifications. Typically, there should be a specified amount of slack, and you may need to adjust the rear axle position. Tighten rear axle nut. Use the torque wrench to tighten the rear axle nut to the manufacturer's specifications. Lubricate the chain. Apply lubricant to the new chain to ensure smooth operation and longevity. Follow the manufacturer's recommendations for the type of lubricant to use. Check alignment. Ensure the rear wheel is properly aligned. Misalignment can cause premature wear on the chain and sprockets. Test ride. Take a short test ride to ensure the chain operates smoothly and there are no issues. Final check. Double check that all nuts and bolts are tightened to the recommended torque settings. Always refer to your motorcycle's manual for specific instructions and torque specifications, as they can vary between different models. If you are unsure or uncomfortable with any step, it's advisable to seek assistance from a professional mechanic.